This is going to be my new workspace, and you might be wondering where's all the trash that was here, right behind all these bushes here. I'm going to have a lot of sorting out to do. Line, paint, all the way to that wall and all the way up to the existing garage, and it's going to take form all the way across, down, across, up, and all the way to the back. And this whole area is going to be a room, including my old decomposed area. We're going to be putting a few windows where there's going to be 1, 2, 3. This door is going to be interesting. Instead of your conventional opening to the side, it's going to open up. It's going to swing out. So it's going to act as a canopy during rainy day and sunny day. We'll get a lot of light and a lot of airflow. I got a lot of space saving, organizing to do. And here I got 2 old shelvings. I have an idea. I'm thinking about adding that shelving up here. She's out. And look at all that wasted space underneath. This is the time to maximize. This is going to be my loading area. Yeah, I don't even know why I did that. Maybe it wasn't me. Blame someone else. We moved it. Oh, one-handed for you. Recycling. I was recycling, but it was into my compost bin over there. Repurpose it. So this is another one here. So let's bring it over there. All from hand-me-down or salvageable parts that was all gonna get thrown out or donated, so it donated to me. I didn't even take what's out in here. And there's a deep, nice drawer here. 15 years I've been in and out of here. I think it's time to invest in a nice little small workshop. With this too, I've been going through a few configurations. I just cut the leg out from the top one, and now I'm going to try with this top one, and I'm going to mount it on the side of that, and then if that works out well, I'll do 2 sides. It's just a flat piece of steel, so the weight should be all on this top part, and it shouldn't be much, so it shouldn't go anywhere, and if it does, it's just going to drop. Just lift it up, and it's a quick detachment. I am starving. I haven't even eaten nothing all day. And it's already almost 4 p.m. The shelving is going to be interesting. See what I end up doing, man. But I got the shelvings out. What I decided to do is I will maximize the row of each shelf. Before there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now I added 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I can fit more on one shelf. Maybe I could get rid of 1, or maybe even 2. That would be awesome if that can happen. I am tired. I narrowed it down to 3 shelvings instead of having 5 shelving each. Now it has 8. And then today I just noticed that before my rolling toolbox was on the wall and it was supported, and it doesn't do this. It's like an earthquake because of the front wheel. It's a cast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a very simple screw and nut just to lower and higher, and then I'll have a platform here that will just keep it horizontally and vertically supported, so I won't get any more of that rocking. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'll be back when I'm done. I made a little jack that is screwable and removable. I'm gonna push it in, and then I'll show you how sturdy it is. Twist it, and now once it's fully down, look at how sturdy this thing is. Like not even moving, which is awesome. I see another opportunity. Just sitting here, I'm noticing the shelvings in the back. You know what? I think I can build a shelf here on my toolbox, because I have 3 extra shelvings over here. I need to find a way to mount that or weld it up. You know, welding it up is a lot easier than trying to make mounts and screws, but I do make sure that it's all detachable. This is detachable. That's detachable. This is 1 unit. And this is all detachable. 1, 2, 3. The toolbox, the mailbox, the shelvings on the side, they're all detachable. I did that today, and I think I'm gonna add the shelving here because I need to get rid of all this metal, and I don't want to just let it go to be useless. So, and it's gonna be very functional. When I work, I could just grab all of my spray cans of all sorts, and maybe even grease and oil. What we got that I just got done. This is my latest, and that's where all of my cans of lubricant, spray, paint, and another quick grab area. Maybe even wrenches, man. Maybe I could put wrenches out here. And below this area is I might even make this to be a portable stand-up welding area. Since I got it all, it's all down to bare metal. I just got to sand it. You know, this Craftsman toolbox has been with me since I was in high school, man. And I went to Sears, man. Back then, I'm 50 right now, and this was back in when I was around 16. It's been with me ever since. Got a tool stand with a vise. My Zukin's mini camping chair. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you enjoy just looking at it, maybe follow, give me a like, and I'll do more future videos on it. I'll see you on the next video. If you have any comments, suggestions, drop it in a comment, let me know. Talk to you then.